What's good, y'all? Welcome back to your favorite Bantu channel. There's this tribe in Nigeria. They are called the Ejagam, and I checked out their language and they're actually linked with us. So let's do a language tag. Ato, watu, abantu, abantu, bato, mwana, mwana, umtwana, omwana, manji, maji, amanzi, amazi, mayi, moto, moto, umlilo, omuliro, moto, nyama, nyama, inyama, enyama, nyama, nino, chino, izinyo, enyo, buti, mbuzi, imbuzi, empuzi, mbuzi, mbwa, mbwa, inja, embwa, mbwa, nonyi, ndeke, inyoni, inyonyi, nyoni, nzila, njia, ndlela, ekubo, njila, zulu, mbingu, izulu, ekulu, ikolo, ngoma, ngoma, ingoma, engoma, ngoma. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a follow and comment down below which language you'd like me to compare.